Did you think turning your Figma designs into professional client presentations would be easy? I did. I spent 3 weeks trying to record myself explaining design concepts, stumbling over words, re-recording dozens of times, and still ending up with boring screen recordings that put my clients to sleep. But it was a struggle. I wish I'd known how to do it smarter. So to help you make client presentations easier, here are 3 steps I learned that will help you transform any Figma design into a compelling video presentation that actually closes deals. The traditional way? Hiring a video production team costs $2,000 to $5,000 per presentation, or spending weeks learning complex video editing software. But HeyGen's Video Agent literally turns your Figma designs into professional presentations with AI avatars in minutes, not weeks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to upload your Figma files, customize AI presenters, and generate client-ready videos that explain your designs better than you ever could. Step 1. Setting up your presentation export for Video Agent. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, the setup that makes everything else magical. When I first discovered this workflow, Video Agent literally transformed my static mockups into a dynamic presentation. I literally sat there watching my designs come to life and thought, this is going to change everything. First, we start by logging into HeyGen and selecting apps from the dashboard. Then we continue by selecting PPT, PDF videos. HeyGen gives you options, the background options and script options. To continue, I'll select image background and auto-generate script. Upload your PDF file, or you can drag it here. Here's what most people don't know. Video Agent works best when you export your frames in presentation order. So instead of random exports, number your frames. 01 homepage hero, 02 navigation flow, 03 mobile responsive. This saves you tons of time later when Video Agent is sequencing your presentation. Export all your key screens to a dedicated folder and you're ready for the magic to happen. Step 2. Choosing your AI presenter in Video Agent. Now here comes my most game-changing discovery, selecting the perfect AI avatar for your client. When I uploaded my first design presentation, the AI presenter literally explained my design decisions better than I could. I literally watched my conversion rate jump because clients finally understood the strategy behind every element. First, in visual, the editor interface showing the avatar library, dragging an avatar onto a slide, selecting the script tab. Then pick your AI presenter. Choose from over 200 high-quality AI avatars or use your own instant avatar. Drop them into your scene and head to the script panel. Here's a pro tip. If your PPT or PDF had speaker notes, HeyGen can import those directly as your script. If not, just use the built-in AI script writer to generate professional narration based on the content of your slides and put it in every scenes. Here's the secret most designers miss. You can customize the AI presenter's tone and expertise level. Click Advanced Settings and set the knowledge level to Design Expert, so your AI avatar uses proper UX terminology. Set the tone to Consultative, so it sounds like a strategic partner, not just someone reading a script. The AI presenter will literally adapt its presentation style to sound like a seasoned design consultant, and your clients will be totally impressed. Step 3. Generating your AI presenter script with Video Agent. Now here comes my most obsessed with feature, watching Video Agent create your entire presentation script. When I hit Generate Presentation for the first time, Video Agent literally wrote a 10-minute script explaining every design decision, user flow, and business impact. I literally couldn't believe how it understood the strategy behind my visual choices. First, adding a transition effect between two scenes, then click the three dot in your script box and select render scene. Make sure all your selected avatar are done rendering in each scenes. Here's what most people don't know. You can guide Video Agent's focus by adding custom prompts. Type emphasize conversion optimization or focus on mobile first approach, and watch how the script adapts to highlight exactly what your client cares about most. My secret weapon? I always add include specific metrics and industry benchmarks to make the presentation sound incredibly professional and data-driven. Then, finally, let's add some polish. Use the magic match transitions for smooth scene changes, and you can click Apply to all scenes and adjust the duration you like. Once you're done, hit Generate Video, and in about 10 minutes, you'll have a polished presentation with your chosen AI presenter that positions you as the strategic design expert your clients need. Okay, here's the final presentation video.
Welcome to our pitch deck presentation. Today, we will explore an innovative solution that addresses a pressing challenge in our industry. Our goal is to demonstrate the unique value of our product and how it stands out in the market. We will cover key insights, market opportunities, and our strategic approach to achieving success. Welcome to our meeting. Today, we have a focused agenda to guide our discussion. First, we will start with a brief introduction and overview of our objectives. Next, we will review the previous meeting's minutes and address any outstanding action items. Following that, we will dive into our main topics, project updates, team performance metrics, and upcoming deadlines. We explore a variety of topics that inspire and educate. From insightful discussions to practical tips, we aim to engage our audience with content that sparks curiosity. Join us as we dive into new ideas, share.
But Mariana, what if Video Agent doesn't understand my design style? Here's the thing. Video Agent learns from your uploads and gets better with each presentation. What if my clients think the AI presenter is too robotic? The AI avatars are so natural now, most clients don't even realize it's AI. What if I need to make changes? You can edit scripts and regenerate videos instantly with Video Agent. What if it doesn't work for my niche? I have seen Video Agent work for everything from SaaS dashboards to restaurant branding. The benefits are literally incredible. You'll deliver presentations 10 times faster than traditional methods. Your clients will see you as more professional and strategic. You'll close more deals because your designs finally tell their complete story. Plus, you'll actually enjoy presenting your work instead of dreading those client calls.